chocolate apple spread as a mocktail. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more very different mocktail. First of all, take any type of fancy glass, and then you have to add some lots of ice cube into the fancy glass. After that, you have to pour like 60 to 90 ml of apple juice. You can add little bit of less apple juice so that you will get chocolate flavor. This is the chocolate base like mocktail. Then you have to pour 30 ml of 30 to 40 ml of chocolate syrup. Very simple mocktail. You can try with little bit of apple and chocolate flavor. Then after that, simply you have to fill the glass with Sprite. See how that color come, very fancy color. Okay, see your mocktail is ready. Very simple mocktail with the combination of apple juice, chocolate syrup and Sprite. Then you have to stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon so that all the drinks will mix. Okay, see your mocktail is ready. If you want anybody sweet mocktail, then you can suggest this is it's apple chocolate syrup based mocktail. Okay, see, then you have to decorate that mocktail. See how the color come, very fancy and refreshment mocktail. Then you can serve the mocktail with straw and say apple juice, chocolate syrup and Sprite. Very simple mocktail. After that, simply you have to garnish the mocktail with some apple slice or orange slices with garnish umbrella so that it will look good, and you can serve the mocktail with straw. So your mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video.